Go jump. No, you can't touch that. Here, go jump. Let me mommy video you jumping on your new trampoline. Good job. So you can get a better picture. Jump. Jump, jump, jump. Look at that boy getting air on his feet. That air, the air under your feet. Go jump. Jump higher. Go jump higher. Boop. Go jump. Go jump. Oh, you want me in there? Yes? Yeah. Yeah, okay. You can jump in there? Okay, ready? Oh, no. Woo! Whoa! Jump again. Hold on, ready? Let's play and stop, go. Ready? Stop. Stop. Say stop. Go. No, you want to see yourself. I can't see yourself. Jump. Okay, ready? Play stop, go game. Ready? Stop. That's right. Stop. So you say go. Go. Go jump. Go jump. Ready? Stop. Go. Stop. Now go. Go jump. Ready, go. You see yourself right there? You can't. There, see? I think.